Ever wanted to build your own smart gadgets? Struggling to get started with Arduino? Or maybe you've tried but got stuck with confusing code and wiring. Hi, I'm Ashraf, an experienced electronics engineer and Arduino enthusiast. I've helped thousands of students master Arduino, and now I'm here to help you do the same, step by step. In this 45-day bootcamp, you'll go from beginner to advanced in Arduino programming and hardware. You'll learn first how to set up and program Arduino from scratch. Then you'll dive into building real-world projects like home automation and sensors. You'll also master sensors, displays, motors, and wireless communication. And finally, you'll get the hang of debugging and troubleshooting like a pro. By the end of this course, you'll have hands-on experience and confidence to create your own Arduino projects. Whether you're a hobbyist, student, or aspiring engineer, this course will fast-track your skills with practical lessons. Join thousands of students already learning Arduino the right way. Click the link below and start building today.